YouTube, what's going on? Sneaker guy status. Gonna do a quick unboxing. I just picked it up from the UPS store. It's a pair of Reeboks. It's a pair I've never had before. I remember when it came out. I was listening to all the music. I'm a big NRD fan since day one, since the first album, right? And then over the years, once Pharrell started getting into the shoes, the fashion, Adidas, NMD, Human Races, now Louis Vuitton, Jellyfish. I'm trying to capture all of that, but I'm not gonna waste too much of y'all time. These are the Reebok ice cream board flips. I know it's a big box, but these are also a size 15. The reason why I went with the size 15 because from what I read, these shoes are quite puffy, right? So I'd rather be safe than sorry. All right, so here's the shoe. Very nice in person. I think they did a pretty good job recapturing a moment in time that a lot of us you just had to be there. Like, I don't know. Like I said, I never owned a pair of ice creams, and I was fond of the other two colorways, but they sold out fast, and they restocked. And every time I got the link, I go right back, gone. Right. I'm definitely gonna change out the blue laces for the yellow laces. I think that definitely pops. Get the other shoe out. I'm actually glad that my box did not become a product of collateral damage from shipment. But let's make sure we get the whole shoe in. Yes, these are big, but I think the puffiness and the size increase is going to be justified. As far as the outfit, I already have an outfit in mind. I have an old dirty bastard like graphic tee. I'm throwing some like jean shorts, throwing some decent. I might not do the Reebok socks, but it's gonna be very simple. Like, in my opinion, this is a shoe you don't get too matchy with. You just capture one color off the shoe and just kind of play, play around with it. You know what I'm saying? But that's some more detail. They did a pretty good job. And for some reason, they smell like retro threes. So I know that's not a indication of good quality material, but the suede looks decent on it. The leather material, whether it be man-made or not, I'm gonna assume this is probably like some man-made stuff. The quality control appears to be pretty decent at first glance. We're all checking this out at the same time. All right. And not gonna take too much time. But yeah, this is a graphic tee, baggy jeans, or jean shorts. If you want to get your poser on, take you a quick picture on a skateboard that you don't use. 'Cause I know I don't use mine. Man, I think that's pretty much it, man. Like, this is a pretty dope pickup. There is a black and orange pair that I've seen floating around the internet. If they actually do release, I will pursue those as well. And that's gonna be that. This year is about touching every sneaker that I've yet to actually own a pair of. And the ones that I currently have that are done, I'm getting those replaced ASAP. So just to wrap this up, to me, off glance, these are probably an 8 or a 9 out of 10. Once I get them on feet and see how they are, it'll probably be a 10 out of 10 for me. Next sneaker is the Gary Payton Zoom Flight gloves. I have to have them. And after that, it'll be the Scottie Pippen up tempos, the black and white joints. Anything else? Either way, buy what you like, because that's what I do. All right, you guys. Peace.